Hello everyone. In our sit spot meditation today, we are going to become part of the forest floor and the fungus that is among us. So beneath me in this forest, the trees are talking. They are using the wood wide web, also known as the mycelial network, to speak. And it is the fungus, the mushrooms, that let them do this. So first, I want you to find a position that you are comfortable in. This may look like laying on your back or laying on your stomach, but the more contact you have with the ground, the better. Then, when you have found a spot that's comfortable, you're going to want to close your eyes and imagine yourself sinking into the earth. Your toes might go first and then your legs. You may feel your torso sink slowly in, then your arms and your fingers, until your whole body is under the leaves. Then you feel yourself starting to stretch out farther and farther until you become a lacy web under the leaves. Through these strands that you have become, you can almost hear the plants talking to each other. They aren't in any words you have ever heard before, but you can hear them. There is a beech tree nearby, sending food amongst its roots to its babies. There is another plant that has felt insects borne to its surface and is sending warnings along the mycelial network to its brethren nearby so that they may adjust the flow of sap through their bark to prevent insects from chewing into them. You take a moment to listen. There are sugars flowing through the roots of the trees. Sugars and water that you cannot pull up on your own. But you can do something well the trees cannot. Your ability to decompose lets you pull nutrients up into you. You share these nutrients and minerals with the plants around you through their roots, and in return they give you water and sugar. Throughout the forest floor, you feel and hear the plants communicating. It is a slow speech, but the message gets across. It feels timeless, like you have been here for an eternity. Like this song, this speech that's going on under the forest leaves has always taken place. You're not sure how far you stretch, but you know there are hundreds, if not thousands of beings that you can hear speak in this network. And the cycle is continuous. The exchange of sugars and water and nutrients amongst you and all of the plants. The mother trees communicating with their babies. The flowers pushing up through the soil and blooming. You sense it all. You hear the conversation. You feel your human body calling back to you. Slowly you wiggle your toes and move your legs. You wiggle your fingers and your arms. You take a deep breath in and out and feel your heart beating in your chest. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. And hopefully the sound of the wind in the background wasn't too terribly distracting, because it is an incredibly windy day today. And I hope that you enjoyed this mushroom meditation.